The perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeter and its width is 2 3 by 4 centimeter. Find its length. We don't know the length, we know the perimeter, we know the width. And we know the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle, and that is perimeter, if we denote this with P, is equal to 2 times length, that is plus 2 times breadth, that is B, or we can write it as 2 times, because 2 is common, so 2 times length plus breadth. This is distributivity of multiplication or addition. We can write it like this. Now, P is given, that is 13 centimeter, equal to 2. Let's assume that length is x centimeter plus breadth is 2 3 by 4 centimeter. This 2 3 by 4 centimeter can be written as 2 times 4 plus 3 by 4, that is equal to 11 by 4 centimeter. So this becomes 11 by 4 centimeter. Now if we solve it, this is 13 on the LHS. On the right hand side, this is 2 times x plus 11 by 4. Now on the RHS, we only want x. At the end, we want the x because we have to find the value of x. So what should we do? First, try to get rid of this 2, right? First, we would like to get rid of this 2. And how can we do this? This is 2 multiplied by x plus 11 by 4. So divide both the LHS and the RHS by 2. So on dividing both the sides by 2 becomes 13 by 2 is equal to 2. This is what multiplied by x plus 11 by 4, and this also gets divided by 2, right? This 2 and this 2 when divided will become 1. So you get 13 by 2 is equal to x plus 11 by 4, right? Because now in the denominator you have what? This gets divided, you get 1. So this is the x plus 11 by 4 is equal to 13 by 2. Now if you want only x on the RHS, so try to get rid of this 11 by 4. If you transpose 11 by 4 to the left hand side, this becomes 13 by 2 minus 11 by 4 is equal to x. If you solve it, you have to subtract two rational numbers. Take the LCM of 2 and 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So if you want the denominator as 4 in this rational number, write 4. Divide 4 with 2, you get 2 as the quotient. So this becomes 13 by 2 minus this, it is already 4. So write 4 and 11 is equal to x. This becomes 26 by 4 minus 11 by 4 is equal to x. Now you can write it as x is equal to, now doesn't matter, now you on the one hand side you have x only, right? You can now write it like this, x is equal to, now you can make it now the LHS. This becomes 26 by 4, so 26 minus 11 by 4, and you get x is equal to 15 by 4. Okay, either you can write it like this, or even you can write it like a mixed number. To write the mixed number, we can write it like x is equal to, so if you divide 15 by 4, you get 3 quotient and 3 remainder and write the 4, right? So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 by 4 is the way to write this mixed number. So x is equal to 3 by 4 centimeter is the length. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. Find their present ages. Let the present age of Sahil be x. Okay, X years. So if the present age of Sahil is X years, his mother's age is actually 3 times his present age. So mother's age will be, mother's present age becomes 3x years, right? Okay, this is the first condition given to us. The second part says that after 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. That is, after 5 years, when you add their ages, the sum comes as 66 years. So after 5 years, what will be the Sahil's age? After 5 years, Sahil's age will be X plus 5 years, because the present is 5. So after 5 years, his age will be X plus 5. Mother's age after 5 years will be, at the present it's 3x, so will be 3x plus 5 years. So after 5 years, the Sahil's age is X plus Y and mother's age is 3x plus 5 years. If you add these two, this should be equal to 66 years because this is given here. So adding these two ages, that is X plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 66, right? Now if you solve it, you get, this is X, this is 3x, so add these are actually what? Like terms, right? 3x and x. So if you add like terms, you get 3x plus x. This are the constants, 5 and 5, so add the constants together. These are also like terms. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 66. This is 4x plus 10 is equal to 66. This comes as 4x is equal to 60. If you transpose 10 to the right hand side, this becomes 66 minus 10, and this is 4x is equal to 56, and from here you get, divide both the LHS and the RHS by 4. So this is 4x by 4 is equal to 56 by 4, and if you solve this, you get x is equal to 14. So x comes as 14. You have to find what the present age is. The present age of Sahil is x years. That means the present age of Sahil's present age is 14 years, because x is coming as 14 and we have assumed the present age of Sahil as x years, and his mother's present age will be 3 times 14 years, that is 42 years, right? So 42 years and 14 years. A man has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. If he has in all a sum of rupees 77, how many coins of each denomination does he have? Each denomination means it's asking for 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins. Okay. What information do we get from the first line? It says that the number of 2 rupee coins is actually 3 times that of the number of 5 rupee coins. Okay. So if we assume that, let the quantity of 5 rupee coins is x coins. Okay. 5 rupee coins is x coins. So if 5 rupee coins is x coins, what will be the quantity of 2 rupee coins? That will be 3x, because 3 times of the 5 rupee coins, the quantity of 5 rupee coins. Okay, now the second line says that if he has in all a sum of rupees 77, it means that the amount of 5 rupee coins, that is the value of 5 rupee coins, and the total value of 3x coins makes what? That is actually equal to rupees 77. Okay, if I'm taking for this one, if one 5 rupee coin, if one 5 rupee coin has the value of rupees 5, so tell me what will be the value of x 5 rupee coins? Unitary method, that will be what? Rupees 5x, because if for one coin it is 5, so for x coins it will be 5x. And in this case, if one 2 rupee coin has the value of rupees 2, then what will be the value of 3x 2 rupee coins? That will be rupees 2 times 3x, right? That is rupees 6x. Okay, so this 6x plus 5x should be equal to what? 77. Should be equal to 77. Sorry, this is 5x is what? 77. This gives you 11x is equal to 77, and dividing both the sides by 11, you get x is equal to 77 by 11, that is x is equal to 7. X comes as 7, so it means here we have assumed that let the quantity of 5 rupee coins is x coins, so from here the total quantity of 5 rupee coins is 7, and therefore from here the total quantity of 2 rupee coins will be 3 times 7, that is 21 coins. So the man has total 7 5 rupee coins and total 21 2 rupee coins.